Ever dreamed of starting your own business? What if I told you one of the hottest opportunities in Africa right now is clothing importation? It's a fast-moving market with incredible potential. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can start from scratch, even with a small budget. We'll cover what to import, where to find the best suppliers, a simple 4-step plan to get you started, and the kind of profit you can realistically expect. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your own successful clothing import business. Let's get into it. First things first, what should you actually import? The options are huge, so it's smart to think about what's in demand. Tracksuits are always popular for their comfort and style. Sneakers are a massive market, with people always looking for the latest trends. Handbags are another fantastic choice, as they are a key fashion statement. Streetwear is booming across the continent, offering a chance to tap into youth culture. Don't forget about kids' clothing. Parents are always vying for their growing children. And finally, fashion accessories like belts, hats, and jewelry can be high-profit items with lower startup costs. The key is to pick a category that you're passionate about and that you see a clear demand for in your local market. Now, let's talk about the most important question. Where do you source these products? Finding reliable suppliers is the backbone of your business. One of the top destinations globally is China. Cities like Guangzhou and Yiwu are famous for their massive wholesale clothing markets, where you can find literally anything you can imagine at competitive prices. You can either travel there yourself or work with sourcing agents who can find products for you. Another excellent option is Turkey, particularly Istanbul. Turkish textiles are known for their quality, and you can find many stylish and unique pieces there. If traveling internationally isn't an option right away, don't worry. You can explore local wholesale markets within Africa, like those in South Africa, which can be a great starting point. And of course, there's the world of online wholesalers. Websites like Alibaba, Made in China, and even specialized B2B fashion platforms connect you with manufacturers and suppliers from all over the world, right from your computer. Okay, you've decided what to sell and where to get it. How do you actually launch your business? I've broken it down into 4 simple, manageable steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is crucial. Instead of trying to sell everything to everyone, focus on one specific area. You could specialize in men's formal wear, women's casual dresses, trendy kids' clothes, or even just sneakers. Focusing on a niche helps you build a strong brand, understand your customer deeply, and become the go-to person for that specific style. Step 2. Start small. I can't stress this enough. Don't go all in and buy a huge container of clothes right away. Start with a small batch, maybe 20 to 50 items. This allows you to test the market, see what sells and what doesn't, and get valuable feedback from your first customers without risking a lot of capital. It's all about learning and adapting quickly. Step 3 is all about marketing, and we're going to use a tool you probably use every single day: WhatsApp. It's free, direct, and incredibly effective. Start by reaching out to local shops and boutiques to see if they're interested in your products. Contact your friends, family, and colleagues. Your first customers are often in your immediate circle. Create WhatsApp groups where you can showcase your new arrivals and run special promotions. A fantastic feature to use is the WhatsApp catalog, which lets you create a professional-looking online store right within the app. Step 4. Partner with a reliable shipping agent. This is a game changer. A good shipping agent will handle the complicated parts of importing, like customs, clearance, and paperwork. They ensure your goods get from the supplier to you safely and efficiently. This frees you up to focus on what you do best: selling. Now for the exciting part. How much money can you actually make? Let's talk numbers. The profit margins in clothing can be very attractive. For a single bag of clothing, depending on the items, you could see a profit of anywhere from $200 to $800. For a beginner just starting out and testing the waters, a realistic monthly profit could range from $400 to $2,000. That's a fantastic side income or even a full-time living for many. But the potential doesn't stop there. As you grow, learn your market, and scale up your orders, your monthly profit can increase significantly. We're talking $5,000 to $20,000 or even more for established, successful importers. It all comes down to your hard work, smart choices, and ability to scale. So there you have it, a complete guide to starting your own African clothing import business. We've covered what to import, where to source it, a 4-step launch plan, and the incredible profit potential. This is a real, accessible opportunity. If you're ready to take the next step and want a list of trusted sourcing agents and suppliers, just comment the word clothing down below, and I'll share my resources with you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to African Business Frontier for more business ideas and opportunities.